Ever wondered why your eyes automatically close when you sneeze? It's not just a random reaction, it's actually a protective reflex. When you sneeze, your brain triggers your eyelids to shut tight, acting as a shield against germs and debris. Sneezes can shoot out at over 100 miles per hour, so it makes sense to protect your eyes. Interestingly, some people can actually sneeze with their eyes open, but that's super rare. Next time you feel a sneeze coming on, pay attention to your eyelids. It's a fascinating little quirk of our bodies that keeps us safe. You might just find yourself noticing it more often.